Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Are you craving something sweet but don't want to mess up your healthy eating goals? Well, you've come to the right place because today I'm going to show you how to make the most incredible, guilt-free dessert that you can whip up in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 5 minutes. We're making a delicious and super healthy oatmeal banana dessert. It's creamy, it's satisfying, and it's so good you'll forget it's actually good for you. This recipe is a total game changer. It's perfect for a post-workout snack, a late-night treat, or even a quick and easy breakfast. The best part, it's packed with fiber from the oats, natural sweetness and potassium from the bananas, and you can customize it in so many ways. No added sugar, no complicated ingredients, just pure, simple goodness. I promise. Once you try this, it'll become your go-to recipe whenever that sweet tooth hits. So, if you're ready to treat yourself without the guilt, stick around. Alright, let's dive into what you'll need. It's super simple, and you probably have most of these ingredients in your pantry already. First up, the star of the show, 1 ripe banana. The riper, the better, because that's where all our natural sweetness comes from. Look for one with plenty of brown spots. That's the secret to a rich, sweet flavor. Next, you'll need half a cup of rolled oats. You can use quick oats if you're in a real hurry, but I find rolled oats give it a better, chewier texture that's just so satisfying. We'll also need about half a cup of milk. You can use any kind you like: regular dairy milk, almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, whatever fits your dietary needs and preferences. I'm using unsweetened almond milk today to keep it extra light. Now for the flavor boosters. A teaspoon of vanilla extract is a must. It adds that warm, cozy flavor that makes any dessert feel more decadent. We'll also add a pinch of salt. Don't skip this. It might seem weird to add salt to a sweet dish, but it actually enhances the sweetness of the banana and balances everything out perfectly. And finally, a little sprinkle of cinnamon. About half a teaspoon should do it. Cinnamon not only tastes amazing, but also has great health benefits. That's it. Just 5 simple ingredients for a dessert that's about to blow your mind. Let's get this party started. The prep for this is so quick, you'll be done before you know it. First, grab your ripe banana, peel it, and break it into a few chunks. Now, take a medium-sized, microwave-safe bowl. This is important. Make sure it's big enough because the oatmeal will expand as it cooks. Pop the banana chunks into the bowl. Using a fork, mash the banana until it's mostly smooth. I like to leave a few small lumps for texture. But if you prefer it completely smooth, just keep mashing until you have a nice puree. This mashed banana is our base, providing all the sweetness and creaminess we need. No added sugar required. It's amazing how sweet a ripe banana can be. Once your banana is mashed to your liking, it's time to add the rest of our ingredients. Pour in your half cup of rolled oats right on top of the mashed banana. Then, add your half cup of milk. Remember, any milk works here. Next, add that teaspoon of vanilla extract, the half teaspoon of cinnamon, and that tiny but mighty pinch of salt. Now, grab a spoon or a small spatula and give everything a really good stir. You want to make sure all the oats are coated and everything is well combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl to get every last bit mixed in. The mixture should look like a thick, creamy batter. It already smells incredible, right? That combination of banana, cinnamon, and vanilla is just heavenly. And that's literally all the prep work. See? I told you it was easy. Okay, our delicious mixture is ready for the final step. We're going to cook this in the microwave. It's the fastest way to get that perfect cake-like texture. Place your bowl in the microwave and cook it on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, microwave times can vary a bit depending on your machine's wattage, so I recommend starting with 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, carefully take it out. The bowl will be hot, and check the consistency. The oatmeal should have absorbed most of the liquid and be firm to the touch, almost like a soft-baked cookie or a mini pudding cake. If it still looks a little too wet, pop it back in for another 30 seconds. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't overcook and become dry. For my microwave, 2.5 minutes is the sweet spot. While it's cooking, let's talk about toppings. This is where you can get really creative and customize it to your heart's content. The possibilities are endless. For a little crunch, you could add some chopped walnuts, pecans, or almonds. A spoonful of pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds would also be fantastic. If you want to add more creaminess, a dollop of Greek yogurt or a drizzle of your favorite nut butter, like peanut butter or almond butter, is absolutely divine. The warmth of the oatmeal will make the nut butter all melty and delicious. For an extra boost of antioxidants and flavor, you can throw on some fresh berries, blueberries, raspberries, or sliced strawberries would be perfect. And if you're feeling a little extra indulgent, a few dark chocolate chips sprinkled on top while it's still warm will melt into gooey pockets of chocolatey goodness. The base is so healthy, you can afford to have a little fun with the toppings. All right, ding, our oatmeal dessert is done. Let's carefully take it out of the microwave. Look at that! It's puffed up beautifully and has this amazing, cakey texture. The aroma filling the kitchen right now is just divine. It smells like fresh banana bread, but it took us less than 5 minutes to make. Now, you can eat it straight from the bowl while it's warm and comforting, which is my favorite way. The texture is incredible. It's soft, it's chewy, it's creamy, all at the same time. It's so satisfying. The sweetness from the banana is just right, and the hint of cinnamon and vanilla really brings it all together. It tastes like a truly decadent dessert. But you and I know it's just wholesome oats and fruit. Today, I'm going to top mine with a spoonful of almond butter and a few fresh blueberries. I'll just add a dollop right in the center and let it start to melt from the heat. Then, I'll scatter some blueberries around it. It looks so pretty, and the combination of flavors is just perfect. The creamy, nutty almond butter with the sweet oatmeal and the burst of freshness from the blueberries. It's a masterpiece. Let's take a bite. Wow, that is so good. It's hard to believe this started with just a banana and some oats a few minutes ago. It seriously tastes like a dessert you'd spend ages baking. This recipe is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. You can have delicious, satisfying treats that are also nourishing your body. This is also a fantastic recipe for meal prep. You can make a few batches of the dry ingredients, the oats, cinnamon, and salt in separate jars. Then, when you're ready for a snack, all you have to do is mash a banana, add the milk and vanilla, and microwave it. It's perfect for busy mornings or when you need a quick, healthy snack at work. It's also super kid-friendly. Love the sweet taste and soft texture, and you'll love that they're getting a healthy dose of fiber and nutrients. You can let them choose their own toppings to make it even more fun. It's a win-win for everyone in the family. So there you have it, the best, easiest, and healthiest oatmeal banana dessert you'll ever make. It's low-calorie, packed with nutrients, and ready in just 5 minutes. It doesn't get any better than that. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It has become a staple in my routine, and I know you'll love it just as much as I do. Thank you so much for joining me today and for letting me share one of my favorite healthy hacks with you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more quick, healthy, and delicious recipes, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know if you try this recipe and what your favorite toppings are. Till next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and enjoy your delicious food. Bye.